This chicken back is very nice and beautiful, guys. I want you to take a good look at this before we start to season it up and everything. All right, you see that? Beautiful. Oh my word, look at that, guys. Beautiful chicken back, yeah? A lime here. Have some vinegar. Now we're gonna wash this out. Alright, as usual, guys, nice and clean bowl of chicken back. You see that? So we're gonna season this up now the right way. Alright, so I'm gonna start with some of this better pack jerk spice here and put a pinch of it on it. It's very nice seasoning, yeah? And of course, we need some black pepper on this. I do have some garlic powder here and a little onion powder, yeah? And that good Jamaican better pack curry, yeah? A tablespoonful, yeah? Very quick and simple season process today, alright? I have some onion here. I have a piece of bell pepper here. I have a nice scotch bonnet. I also have a generous amount of time to wash this off. Drop this on this. Nice piece of onion. I'm gonna cut up everything as well, yeah? I also have 2 cloves of garlic here. I have an Irish potato here, guys. Not the most beautiful Irish, but guess what? It's okay. Still gonna make it work, yeah? And I also have a nice piece of carrot here, peeled and ready. And here I have some scallion here. I store these in the freezer because I haven't been cooking for a while. So I wash them and store them like that, okay? So it lasts longer and stay green, yeah? Now the last thing I forget to add here is some of this Old Bay seasoning. I like to add some Old Bay. Well, actually not the last thing, but it's one of my favorite seasonings, yeah? This is actually the last thing. Some crushed pimento seeds, yeah? Very simple, very nice. It's gonna be an excellent turnout. Curry chicken back at its finest, yeah? And only if you guys was close by to actually smell the way the seasoning is kicking on this curry chicken back, then you know the flavor is gonna be absolutely fabulous in the end. All right, so now time to leave this to marinate and take a very good look at this, guys. All right, so first we're gonna add some oil to the pot, guys. And you see that? I must admit that this is one of the prettiest chicken back I have ever cooked. Trust me, just full of meat, guys. So meanwhile that's here, gonna let it sweat, yeah? See how pretty that look, guys? Beautiful, yeah? Nice flavor build up already, alright? Here we're gonna add all of these vegetables. Now we're gonna top it off with some water, guys. And I'm using hot water here, yeah? And with this, I'm gonna add some coconut milk, yeah? And we're gonna cover this and allow it to cook. The next 25 minutes, we should be plating. Nice. See that, peeps? Nice curry chicken back this, okay? Well cooked down.